Hi Skinnies, today in the Skinny Kitchen we're going to be making the chicken salt. The chicken salt recipe became a recipe that everyone constantly asks for, and Grant, the genius that he is, came up with this recipe, and it's actually a free recipe on the website, so you've got no excuse not to make it. And the key ingredient in the chicken salt recipe is the nutritional yeast. But here is the yeast flakes. You can pick them up just in the health food section of either Coles or Woolies, and pretty much any health food store will sell it. Not to be confused with brewer's yeast or anything, so it's called nutritional yeast. 4, 5, so it's basically only 4 ingredients, and then you have your chicken salt. I'm going to be making a few batches to fill this jar, obviously. There we are. Chicken salt. Ready to go.